We understand the significance of details, where every detail is an invitation to craft your coffee your way. Bestir is not just a provider of machines, but as a strategic partner, offering a range that redefines the bean-to-cup coffee. Precision and innovation seamlessly blended, Bestir's range features the innovative My Coffee setting, touchscreen technology, and water tanks designed for seamless integration. Our range, spanning low to mid capacity, is crafted with quality and common sense, bringing sophistication to your environment. With a small footprint and big taste, at Bestir we believe every sip truly matters.